Hello guys, and welcome to another video. In this video we are going to talk about alexgo.io. So why I'm talking about Alex is because they have recently launched a new token, which is at alexv2. As you can see here, at alex, if we type at alex, yeah, so this is a new token. So we are gonna analyze everything about this project, and we are gonna see whether it is a good long-term investment or not, and what you should be looking for as an investor. So let's directly jump onto the website. So here, as you can see, next generation decentralized application on Bitcoin launch app. If you want to use the app, and there are docs which you will see in a while. So building financial infrastructures on Bitcoin through stacks, launchpad, land, borrow, decentralized exchange, and yield. So these are pretty standard uh, projects in the cryptocurrency market right now. So I think every 1 out of 5 project has been either of this or combination of some of these products. So the key part will be here, the community. So let's assume that you are not only an investor in this project but also a team member. Then what would you be looking for? Because this is a very standard product, then what you will be looking for is a powerful community, because when there will be powerful community, then only your this project will survive. So don't see things as investors, try to see things as founders. So when you assume that you are the owner of this coin, or you launched this project, then what you would be looking for. It doesn't matter what kind of market cap this coin has. Right now it has, I'm sure it is on the 398th rank. So it has definitely huge market cap, Alex Lab. But the point here is pretty clear. It doesn't matter what kind of market cap a product has. It has a $50 million worth of market cap, and fully diluted is around 82 million. So yeah, pretty big number. But the point here is pretty clear, that as a founder, what will be your biggest concern? The biggest concern for you will be the community. So we'll also analyze the community here, but I'm just giving you the core idea, that you should try to think as founders rather than the investors. Because if you want to be a successful investor, then sooner or later you will also launch a cryptocurrency product of yours, or cryptocurrency coin of yours. So because it's obvious that if you'll just keep investing, then it is very likely that will not make that much as when you launch your own cryptocurrency. So anyways, apart from that, they have a gateway to emerging projects on stake, intuitive user experience, and fair fundraising. Okay, so this is important as well. If you're an investor, you would want fair fundraising. But again, imagine that you are the founder of this product, or this project. Then again, you will be looking for the stability of the community, because if the community is stable, then only all these projects will survive. The problem with most cryptocurrency projects is that community do not survive. So this should be, as an investor, your biggest concern, whether the community will survive here or not for next 10 years, and will they help each other grow or not, because this will be your biggest concern. Sooner or later, if you want to be a successful investor, you are going to have to build your own community if you want to be a successful cryptocurrency investor. Otherwise, you can also keep investing in Bitcoin, but the most important thing is that when you want to be a successful cryptocurrency investor, you will have to build a powerful community. And that's why if the community here is not that strong, then it will be your duty, I guess, to help the team to build a better community. Because if you are investing, only and only if you are investing, only then, of course, because if the community is weak, then project will not survive. And if the project will not survive, how will you make money? How can you make money? So yeah, and community building for you and for anyone, even for the team, is a pretty it's a big pain, honestly speaking. But if you want to be a successful cryptocurrency entrepreneur, or if you want to be successful in this market, then I'm sure that you will have to understand the importance of building the powerful community. Anyways, so they have some good backing, I guess. These names look big. So but but let's see ahead and analyze their Discord community. So yeah, still in review, and announcement will be made at the right time. So again, as you can see here, that somebody from the community has asked the questions, and one of the team member is answering it. But again, if you are an investor in this project, you will have to understand, will the community survive? If the community survives, then only this project will survive. The long term approach for any cryptocurrency is the key, and because of that, you will have to see things as a founder. Assume yourself as if you are the founder of this project, then are you sure that this community will survive in the longer term? Will the community help each other grow? Because that's the key, that's the problem with all the cryptocurrency projects, and that's why most cryptocurrency projects fail. So you will have to keep asking this same question again and again as much as you can. So apart from that, there is another post which says, dear all, we understand and see some people having challenges bridging or depositing. Please know we are resolving it as we speak. Most of the unseen deposits should be resolved soon. Please refresh and check again regularly. So maybe some UI or technical error is here, and that's why the one of the team member is replying it. But again, this is not only the duty of the team member, it is also the duty of the community members to help them resolve all these issues. Even though these guys are talented developers, community is the key, and community needs to help the team in resolving such issue by one another form, by connecting them with some form of other developers or maybe something else. Because everything is connected. Every cryptocurrency project is fighting against each other through communities, and that's why you are betting on the community here. If you are investing in this project, you are betting on the community. If you are not betting on the community, then you are definitely going to lose out in the longer term. And that's why it's not only your duty to invest, but one of the major key and the key area of investing is to help this project grow with other external efforts as well. Because if you help them grow, then it is likely that you will also learn how to build a community and how to grow a project. So that experience will help you to become even more successful cryptocurrency investor. An ultimate destination of any cryptocurrency investor is to launch his own successful cryptocurrency, I guess. So that's the ultimate success, and that can only happen when you learn how to help these guys to grow their own project. So you can have the experience, and you can know the procedure of helping them to grow their project. Apart from that, let's see and let's read some of the other chats. So token launch AMA with order mint Francis to Alex Labs. Okay, why has there been no announcement of the last test incentive? So again, as you can see, some of the community members are complaining about not doing the announcement of the last test incentive. So community is somewhat angry, but the reality is that you cannot just keep complaining. If you are not going to help this project grow, then how do you expect that other community, if you are not interested in growing, then how can you expect other community members to grow this project? If you can help them grow, then only other will see you and help you help the project grow. So that's how you can make your investment safe. And apart from that, it's the key point here is that when you help any cryptocurrency project grow, you learn the procedure of growth. You learn the procedure of how to make a successful cryptocurrency product, or how to create a successful cryptocurrency. So that's why it's very essential for every investor to understand that only seeing or talking about these things is not going to help you. If you will keep complaining, neither team is gonna be happy with you, neither you are gonna grow. But if instead of complaining, if you can find a ways to help the cryptocurrency project grow, in that scenario everyone will benefit. So that's why even if you have no idea about technical things, then at least you can go on social media and update daily and create YouTube videos, like I am creating YouTube videos to help this project grow. So I'm not against any project, and I'm not even in favor of any project. I have not invested in this project at all. But the thing is that there are 58,000 plus community members, as you can see here, total members 58,000, and there are only few messages, because the people are not interested in day-to-day operations, or you can say the day-to-day discussions, and that's very unfortunate. In fact, people should be excited, because it will help them learn how to create a successful cryptocurrency project. And if you don't know the procedure of creating a successful cryptocurrency project, then how will you make money? You cannot make money by just investing in all these projects. It's not right way, it's not a right approach, because when you want to create something valuable, when so all these things are very similar to tradition. If you talk about traditional businesses, then traditional businesses as employees, they have day-to-day discussions and everything. So here also, in the cryptocurrency market, people need to have that day-to-day discussions. Even in our project, I find it very hard to build a community, because people are not interested. People just want to throw money, but that's not how things work. People need to, the community members need to get connected with each other, and that's how they can grow. So these are the key areas to be to which everyone needs to focus on. Anyways, apart from that, let's see their white paper, what their white paper is all about. Our design, trading, lending and borrowing. Let's see. Alex allows implementation of arbitrary trading strategies and borrows its design from Balancer v2. Equation abstracts rebalancing and market making logic, while Pool encapsulates the value of a strategy. So, so as they are clearly mentioning that they have designed it from Balancer v2, and these are some of the technical terms, meaning that generalized mean equation is an invariant function associated with generalized mean that underpins the non-lending trading pools at Alex. So this is turning out to be very technical and mathematical, but I know the products, I know how the things work. So I know the yield tokens, I know the pole trading pole, and I also know the vault and everything. But ultimately it simply is a swap platform, then pool, then staking, and then farming, and then there is this bridge probably between other cryptocurrencies and other blockchains, and then there is probably this latest product, which is a launchpad. So these are pretty standard procedures, and these are pretty standard things in the cryptocurrency market. And almost, as I said earlier, that 1 out of 5 out of 1 project, sorry 1 out of 5 project is doing the same thing. So again, to survive with this very similar product which everybody is doing, the community will be the key. So I keep saying that imagine that you are the founder of this project, because sooner or later, if you want to be a successful cryptocurrency investor, then you are going to launch a successful cryptocurrency product. And because of that, if you want to be a successful investor in this project, then you will need to help this project grow, not only by giving money, but there are other things as well, by probably sharing content for this project on social media, or providing them with valuable or good developers or things like that. Because if you are not going to help this project grow, then you should not expect that when you will launch your own cryptocurrency product or coin, other people will come to help you. If you help someone, other people will come and help you. So this is a very important thing. So even for me, if you see, I'm making all this video about other projects, so I can attract community. And if people can join together, then probably we will build something good, because I have very powerful cryptocurrency concepts in my mind, and I really want to execute those things. And that's why I am doing what I am capable of, I am doing what I know. And in the same way, you should do. Just think about it, keep your mind working, that how can you help this project go, how can you help this project thrive. Because if you do that, if you have that approach, somebody else will come for you, and they'll stand up for you, and they will help you to grow your project. And if people connect to you, then only you will be able to grow your project. You cannot just do things alone, that's not possible. So that's why I keep saying that not only think about investing, but also think about helping the project, because when you help the project grow, you help the community, and that's the key. And apart from that, if you see here, then on the Alex Lab, they have this trading platform, and you will be able to I think it's No. Here as you can see on the exchange, they have a pretty low volume, so this is a bit of concern if you are going to invest right now, because the market cap is nearly 50 million, and if you see the trading volume, which is nearly 400,000. So if you calculate 400,000 and let's do the valuation of this thing so we can have a rough idea. So generally exchanges make 0.1%, not more than 0.1% on the trading. The profits are very low, but still for the sake of calculation I'm going to consider 0.1% of the daily volume as the profit. So 439,000 multiply by 0.1 and divided by 100. So they have a profit of nearly $440 daily. So with daily $440 profit, let's assume that monthly it is $13,000 and yearly it will be $158,000. And let's assume that total if you do the math, then it's very clear that the valuation is not more than $2 million right now of the LX lab, but the project is being traded at $50 million. So again there is a risk of losing money when it comes to the valuation, because valuation is very high. But again valuation can maintain this position if community is powerful. So community, as I keep saying, community is the key. And let's assume that people like you who start understanding after watching this video that we need to help this project grow if we want to be really successful investor on this project, then and if even 10 people like you are around there, then it is possible that this project can turn things around, because the wise investors know that if they want to succeed, then they will have to build communities, and they will have to grow the community in the projects which they are investing. If you do not take the responsibility, then somebody else will also not take the responsibility for you. That's why it is essential to have such approach. And apart from that, I guess this is all right now I have for this project, because although there is a lot of information of this project, but I guess there is nothing more here. But let's try to go through the Discord and see what are other things which we can see. So dear Alexians, trading opens for this couple of tokens. Trading has begun for 2 new tokens on B20. Sell orders are accepted now. Buy orders will be accepted from 2 p.m. Join the vibrant this. So yes, there are a lot of community response on this, but again this is done by the team. But as an investor, you should think, how can you help this project grow? How can you help this project and how can you pour in more people to trade on this couple of tokens? How can you help this project grow by helping do more trading for the for these 2 tokens, so the project can have more revenue and then more profit. So as an investor, you need to understand all this, because if you do not do this, somebody else will not going to do that for you. When you will launch your own cryptocurrency project, you will also need community members. So it's a simple thing, and when you will need them, nobody will be there for you. So that's why it's very essential to understand these very simple things. I hope you get it. And so there is a pretty long community chart here. I'm not gonna go into that in the details. There are 3 new messages, so let's just quickly three new messages. First of all, B20 updated FAQ, wallet and token display issues. Tex has now has 2 main wallets, Hiro and Xverse. Okay, so this is just a new announcement. But as I keep saying that as a community member, if you are going to take the responsibility and not only relying on the team, then only you will be a successful cryptocurrency investor. Otherwise things will be tough. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you soon in the next video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.